Oh my god, it's Amaya in pink. Take watch, because this is a rare occurrence, a rare sighting. You should be lucky and amazed and wowed, because you'll probably never see it again. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Amaya. So today's video is going to be a Valentine's Day tutorial, and I am so excited because I love doing Valentine's Day tutorials because a lot of times they are glittery and sparkly and really cute. I don't know why. Valentine's Day tutorials just always are very beautiful to me. So I'm very excited to do this one. This one is definitely not a strictly Valentine's Day look. It's definitely more of a natural, sparkly, slightly pink, shiny sort of look. I didn't want to do anything over the top because I feel like if I were going out on Valentine's Day, which I'm not, but if I was, I would not be one to wear something super crazy and super pink. So I decided to go for something a little bit more natural with just a hint of pink in it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Also, I used the Wet n Wild Cushion Foundation for the first time in this video, and oh my god, literally love it. I know I hate first impressions. I'm being a hypocrite right now. I hate first impressions, and I hate when people like use a product once and then say that they love it. But honestly, you guys, this is so freaking good. Amazing. I have the shade Light Ivory and it matches me perfectly. It might be just a slight bit light. But this is a light neutral shade, but it's definitely not too orange. Girls with more yellow undertones like I do can totally get away with it. It's so beautiful. My skin was glowing, and it was the quickest foundation application that I've like ever done. So thumbs up for that. I also used the L'Oreal Infallible paints. These are the metallic ones. This is in the shade Rose Chrome, I think. I ripped the sticker off. I think it's Rose Chrome. This is what I have on my eyes today, and it is so beautiful. Such a gorgeous, creamy shadow formulation. Really beautiful. Also love that. So yeah, that's enough rambling. Let's just hop into the tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoy it.
Hello everyone. So I'm going to get started by going in with my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette and going into the shade Strawberry Bonbon first. It's a nice light pinky shade. I'm going to be using this as my transition color. Then I'm going in with Salted Caramel, which is a really nice warm brown, and using this kind of as a second transition shade and applying that all over the crease. And I'm doing this with my Morphe M504. Then I'm going in with the shade Milk Chocolate, which is another warm brown, really pretty color, and with that same brush, just blending everything into the crease, and I'm not being very precise with it, as you can see. Then I'm going in with Semi-Sweet, which is a little bit more cool toned, and I'm going to use this to add some more definition and depth to the crease, but doing the same method that I did with the other ones, just blending it all over. Then I'm going into the e.l.f. Mad for Matte 2 palette and taking this corally peachy shade. I wanted to add some more peachy pink tones to the eye look, so this is why I decided to go into this palette and use this shade. Then I'm going in with the shade Triple Fudge, and I'm going to take this on a Morphe M433 brush and pack this on the outer corner to add some smokiness. Then I'm going in with these two brown shades from the e.l.f. palette and doing the same exact thing, blending it a little bit into the crease, but keeping this mostly on the outer V, the outer area. And then I'm blending everything out with that Morphe M504 brush from before. Now I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Paints eyeshadow that I showed in the beginning. It's absolutely stunning. I'm just applying a little bit of e.l.f. glitter glue to my eye to make this stick. Then I'm going to spray my brush with a little bit of Fix Plus and apply this to the lid. As you can see, it's a beautiful, light, shimmery pink. Then I'm taking a little bit more of that e.l.f. glitter glue, dipping a fine point brush into it, and then dipping my brush into some glitter. This is the NYX Face and Body Glitter. I think it's in the shade Rose. Really pretty light pink glitter, and I'm just applying this all over the eye. As you can see, I just want a little bit of sparkle, but not a ton. And you guys already know I have to go in with my Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in Midnight Cowboy, my absolute favorite glitter liner ever. And I'm just going back in with some more NYX glitter to make sure we have enough pink to gold ratio. Then I'm going in with the Ordinary High Adherence Primer, and typically I do my primer before my eyes, but I didn't want any glitter to stick to the primer, so that's why I did it after. Then I'm going in with this Peter Thomas Roth 24 karat gold liquid illuminator and applying this to my cheeks. This is so beautiful. It gives you the most gorgeous glow ever. Absolutely love this stuff. I'm going to be going in with some lashes, but while the lash glue dries, I'm going to take my e.l.f. highlighter in Moonlight Pearls and apply this to my brow bone. And I'm also going to blend that out using a clean, fluffy brush just to make sure all of our lines are nice and smooth. And I'm going to apply some mascara to my lashes, and then the actual falsies I'm going to be applying today are the Kohl lashes in the style 501. They're similar to the Ardell Demi Wispies, but just a little bit different. So then I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Cushion Foundation. This is my first time using it, and oh my gosh, you guys, it's so beautiful. I love it so much. I've been using it a ton since I filmed this video, and let me tell you, it is gorgeous. The only thing is that it doesn't last a super long time, but it's still amazing, and I absolutely love it. I've done full glam makeup with it, natural makeup with it, and you guys can see I was so happy with the results here. I absolutely loved it. And I'm going in with some concealer. I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me concealer first and apply this to my under eyes, my nose, my forehead, my chin to kind of really conceal any dark circles that I have. Super cute. And then I'm going to go in with the ColourPop No Filter concealer to highlight a little bit more because that Maybelline concealer is a little bit dark. I'm just going to blend that all in using my Morphe sponge. I also use this to blend in my foundation. Again, I really love this sponge. It's pretty much replaced my beauty blender, to be completely honest. It's just so, so good. Then I'm going in with some RCMA No Color powder. Don't blow powder around. It's not a good idea. It's not fun to clean up. But I'm just going to take my beauty blender and pat this into my under eyes, my nose, my chin, all that sorts of good stuff. Then I'm going to go in with some Opal Liquid Illuminator from Becca and apply that to my cheekbones and my nose and my chin. Then I'm going in with this Lisa Frank and Glamour Dolls bronzer. This stuff is amazing. I really, really like it. I got it in my Ipsy bag a few months ago, and I'm just going to apply this using my Real Techniques blush brush. I'm going in with this blush from Measurable Difference, I believe. I got it in a BoxyCharm, and I'm going to apply this to my cheeks. Anything nice and corally and pinky will work. Then I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus powder and my Essence Pure Nude highlighter to buff all of that into the skin and to set my face. Now I'm going in with Ofra's Rodeo Drive highlighter, my favorite highlighter of all time, and applying that with a Morphe M501 brush to my cheeks, to my nose, to my chin, forehead, cupid's bow. You guys know the drill. It's just so beautiful. And I'm going in with e.l.f. Moonlight Pearls again to add a little bit of extra glow. I love this highlighter. I just picked it up again. I've owned it in the past, but honestly, I forgot how beautiful it is. I'm going to apply some of that to the inner corner as well. And then I'm going to be going in with all of the shades that I used before from the Chocolate Bar palette and then put those underneath my lash line. I didn't go into the e.l.f. palette because you really don't need to. You won't be able to tell. So I just went in with the Chocolate Bar palette. Then I'm taking that shade from the palette, which is called Champagne Truffle, beautiful highlight shade, and applying that into my inner corners for a little extra pop. Then I'm going in with the Scandinavia The Bridal Makeup Setting Spray and applying that to my face and patting all of that in with a damp beauty sponge. And then going in with some MAC Fix Plus to add a little bit of extra dewiness to this look. I want this to be very glowy, very dewy, and I love me some MAC Fix Plus. Then I'm going to put some mascara on my lower lashes. This is Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And then I'm going to apply a little bit of the Urban Decay glitter to the lower lash line just to add a little bit of extra sparkle to the look. I really love how this looks. And I'm also going to apply some of the NYX glitter underneath as well. Now going in with the Maybelline lipstick in the shade Warm Me Up. Really beautiful mauve-y pink shade. I thought it complemented the eyes perfectly. And my lips are super dry this time of year, so we were definitely going for a regular lipstick. I'm also going in with this shade called Masterpiece, I think. This is from L'Oreal, it's their Color Riche line, and applying that to my lips, and we are finished. I hope you guys like this, and I'll see you in a minute for my outro. Mwah!
So that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys like it. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know what you thought in the comments below, if you would wear this look, if you like it. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.
Let's go, girls.